A successful Forex trading strategy generally involves a combination of both technical and fundamental analysis techniques, solid risk management practices, and maintaining a level of discipline. Here's an overview of a common and effective strategy that is often adopted by professional traders: technical analysis. Charts and patterns employ various types of charts, such as bar, line, and candlestick patterns, to predict future price movements in the market. Indicators. A range of popular technical indicators exists that can be used to help identify trends, signal potential entry and exit points, and provide important buy and sell signals. Moving averages (MA). These help signal the trend direction by calculating a weighted average of recent price data. The 50-period and 200-period moving averages are generally adopted as long-term trend-related indicators. Relative Strength Index (RSI). As a momentum oscillator, the RSI can be used to identify overbought or oversold conditions and potentially signal trend reversals and momentum. Moving average convergence divergence (MACD). This technical indicator can be used to spot potential trend reversals, crossovers, and a sustained signal of momentum. 2. Fundamental analysis. Keep an eye on major economic indicators, for example, interest rates, GDP, inflation rates, and geopolitical events that may impact the market. For instance, changes in central bank interest rates can significantly influence a currency's movement. Economic calendars. Make sure to pay attention to upcoming events, for example, unemployment reports, central bank meetings that could impact the market and affect currency exchange rates. 3. Risk management. Position sizing. It's crucial to never risk more than a small percentage, for example, between 1–2% of your account balance on a single trade. Stop losses and take profits. Position stop losses to limit potential losses, while take profit targets are set to secure profits when a trend appears to be changing in favor of the trader. 4. Trading plan and discipline. Develop an organized trading plan based on your own strategy, including when to enter and exit trades and establishing rules for managing position size and risk. Stick to the plan. Emotional decisions can often lead to overtrading or abrupt abandonment of strategies. 5. Timeframes and market sessions. Choose the time frame that aligns with your trading style and overall trading goals. Day traders tend to focus on shorter time frame charts, for example, 15 to 30 min, 1 hour, while swing traders employ daily or 4-hourly time frames. Be aware of market sessions London, New York, Tokyo that tend to exhibit increased volatility during overlapping hours. By following a structured, methodical approach and maintaining a strong level of discipline, professional traders can significantly increase their chances of success in the highly volatile Forex market. Are you interested in implementing a specific trading strategy or exploring a particular aspect of Forex trading?